Do you notice how warm the Earth is getting?
Do you want to go to the Arctic or the Antarctic?
Go now, because soon it will be gone if global warming continues.
50 years ago, the Arctic was a big, beautiful place. Ice covered both ends of the world.
This is what it looks like now.
If global warming continues, this will be the future. Polar bears will be like dinosaurs to kids. There won't be any snow, and the only ice we know of is in the freezer.
But not just the ice is in danger, the animals are in danger too, and our futures.
When the ice melts, it puts more water back into the ocean. If all the ice melts, the ocean will raise about 200 feet. Do you know what that means?
Oh no, that will kill animals and humans. It'll flood the land, destroying habitats that are already scarce.
Hi, we're here today at the Henry Valley Zoo in Madison, Wisconsin. Behind us is the polar bear exhibit. Unfortunately, the polar bear isn't here. She passed away a little while ago.
She passed away because she had a disease in her joints that made it hard for her to walk around and move around. So they had to eventually just put her down.
It is sad.
So I'm here at the Henry Valley Zoo with Mark Heltscher, and could you explain your job for me?
Yeah, I'm the middle school science teacher at St. James School in Madison, Wisconsin.
Alright, so can you explain to me what the greenhouse effect is?
Sure. The greenhouse effect is the process of trapping the sun's solar energy in our atmosphere to warm the planet.
If the greenhouse effect wasn't there, what would happen?
We would be frozen.
Okay.
Yeah, if there's no greenhouse effect, then all the heat that we would get from the sun would escape. On the reverse side of that, with more and more gases filling up the atmosphere, more heat is contained, which is why it's getting hotter.
What can I do?
What can I do?
Oh, hi. What can I do?
What can we do?
That's a great question!
All kinds of things, obviously driving better cars, that have higher gas mileage. It doesn't have to be a hybrid. A lot of the cars now have really good gas mileage even without, having a hybrid engine. Obviously, if you can bike or walk to school or work, I think those are two really important things. And they have an added bonus of helping you get in better shape too.
Lots of things we can do, a lot of it starts with what individuals can do. Recycling, really being more responsible, purchasing stuff. Transportation is a huge part of that, but really the supply and demand is what needs to change.
Okay. Thank you for answering those questions.
Of course.
Now that we know what to do, let's go!
Hi, I'm Bella Pizer here today with Carson Drury, and I'm going to be interviewing her. So, Carson, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Good. So, what did you think about global warming before you learned about it?
Well, until I learned about it, I didn't really know much. This week when I was reading a film about it, I sort of already knew the stuff I was learning. But before I learned that stuff, I didn't even know it was happening. So I didn't have an opinion.
What's your opinion now about it?
Now I feel like we need to do something about this. Now. Not later. Not when you're sitting on the couch being a couch potato. Now.
What do you think we can do to help?
Bike. You know, it's good for you. It's fun to do. And you don't have to use cars. Or walking. If it's in a short enough distance, walk there. If it's even longer, bike there. Or just jog.
Okay, thank you for your answers today. Have a nice day.
I'm Carson Drury here today with my co-filmmaker, Bella Pizer. Bella, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. So, before you learned about global warming, how did you feel about it?
Well, I didn't really have an opinion on it because, well, I didn't really know what it was. So, yeah.
Now that you know about it, how do you feel about it?
Well, I think that's a very serious issue, and we should try to find a way to slow it down or stop it.
What are you gonna do to make a change?
Well, I'm definitely not gonna go on or be in cars as much. I'm gonna try to bike places that I can and walk places, and I'm definitely gonna recycle.
All right, let's hope together we can make a change.
Yep. Hi, I'm Bella Pizer here today interviewing Clare Tynan. So, Clare, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, thank you for asking. So, what is your opinion on global warming now?
Now, I think it's a lot more serious than I thought before, and that it can get worse.
What did you think before?
Before, I didn't really know a lot about it. I've heard of it before, but I didn't really think it was going to be that serious.
What do you think we can do to stop? Well, stop
Well,
it.
It would take a lot of work to stop it, but I think we can help slow it down by not using so many cars, maybe biking or walking or using the bus instead.
Yeah, that would be good. Okay, thank you for your time today.
You are welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm here with Carson Drury today, and I'm going to be interviewing her on global
Global warming, how did you feel about it?
Well, I didn't I didn't really have an opinion on it because
Hi, I'm Bella Pizer here today with